Hello again everyone. Third video for today, but it's going to be a short and sweet one because I'm shattered and I need to go and put my feet up for a bit and get something to eat. So this is the journal that we've been working on. We've just done pockets and flips in it, and I said that I would introduce you to the next new digital kit, which is this one here, and I'm going to utilize some of these within this journal. So what I'm going to do is tonight I'm going to sit and fussy cut all these bits out, and then I'm going to come back tomorrow, and there should be two videos tomorrow. One is showing you how I'm going to utilise this kit in the journal, and the second video will be finishing off all the bits and bats, so completing the front cover and anything else that I feel needs doing within the journal. Okay, so here's the kit. It's called A Summer's Garden. And it's not a digital kit to be able to make a journal with, but it's mainly for all the embellishment bits and pieces, you know, journal cards and the likes. So this first page I've made so that they can be long tags. This one is so that you can do these maybe as journaling cards or even as a three-fold flip out. This one is so that you could make a little mini booklet from it. These could be added to a page, and in fact in my prototype I used this one and made a pocket. Some more journaling cards and a border here that could be used for pockets and tuck spots and a horizontal belly band. Some long money envelopes and the cards to go in them, and another one as well. Here there's some journaling cards and a big tag. These are more ATC size. Then there's two backs of postcards, and if I bring these up close you might be able to see it a bit better, but it's got the embossing from the front of the postcards on the back side, and there's some little elements here that can be used as tabs. A backing paper, another backing paper, and then if you did want to, then these could be used on the front of a journal. So that's the new digital kit called A Summer's Garden, and as I say, I'm going to go off and go and cut these all out and prep them up ready for the videos for tomorrow, and this will be available in my Etsy shop. So you'll find the link in the description box down below, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I hope you've enjoyed what you've done today, and you would do me a really big favour if you would share on any groups that you're able to the links to the videos, and maybe even show what you've done so far, because you're the people that help to promote the work that it is that I'm doing, and I really appreciate that. So if you could, that would be wonderful. If not, don't worry, put it on your own page, and you never know, some of your friends might see it and might want to come and join in with us. Anyway, that's it, as I say, short and sweet for today, and I look forward to seeing you all again tomorrow. All right, see you later. Bye.